For the ladder climbing task, our approach is to use controller gestures to move both hands and feet. In the tournament mode, focused on speed and accuracy, the user performs a shake gesture to move each limb automatically in a predefined order. In the demonstration mode, which provides more user control, we'll use one controller for each side of the body. An upward movement will raise the hand, while the downward movement will raise the corresponding foot. This mode allows full control for each limb, but the user must take care to respect the task constraints. It's difficult for novice users to control a drone using traditional controls, so we provide a 3D UI where the user specifies a target waypoint directly in 3D space and the drone flies automatically towards it. We also scale down the world so the user can oversee the entire track and use natural walking for navigation. Using visual aids to understand the handheld controller's position in space, the user presses the trigger to set a target waypoint. A first-person view of the drone is attached to the other controller. For the tower stacking task, our smart interface helps users stack objects in order of their weight and allows users to preview the position of the next object before actually moving it. When the trigger button is pressed and held, a ghost version of the next heaviest object appears as a wireframe, serving as a preview for where it's going to be dropped. Releasing the trigger teleports the object to the hand and drops it onto the tower from that location.